How to block or unblock Imo contacts easily. So if you want to block someone on Imo or if you want to unblock someone, then first open up your Imo application. Make sure to log into your account and then you can simply go for search, which is on the bottom right. Tap on search and then you can search for a particular person that you would like to block or unblock. So for example, I'll be choosing this person, and from here you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go for the profile, which is on the first option. Tap on profile and then go for the three dots, which is on the upper right, and from here you will have block option. Tap on block, which is on the bottom, and here it says that, are you sure you want to block this contact? Blocked contacts will not be able to message or call you. To view users you have blocked, you can go to settings, privacy, and then block list. So if you want to really block this person, then tap on block and that's it, you have blocked. But if you want to unblock the same person, then go for your profile, which is on the upper left, and then go for settings and privacy or security and privacy. And here you will have your blocked list under your security. Tap on block list and here you will have the persons that you have blocked. So if you want to unblock this person, tap on unblock, which is on the right side, and then again tap on unblock, and that's it, you have unblocked this person. So that's how you can unblock and block someone on Imo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.